Humidity is one of the most deceptive enemies of a front door because it doesn't need visible rain to cause damage. During summer, warm, moisture-heavy air seeps into a door through the smallest weaknesses: hairline cracks in the finish, unsealed edges, panel joints, lock cutouts, and the bottom rail. Even doors that look intact on the surface can absorb humidity once their protective coating has thinned or lost flexibility from UV exposure and heat. Once moisture gets inside, it rarely escapes easily. Doors heat up during the day, pulling humid air inward, then cool at night, trapping that moisture inside the core and wood fibers. This creates a constant damp environment beneath the surface where finishes can't dry properly and materials slowly break down. Over time, humidity causes swelling, sticking, veneer separation, and finish failure, often without any obvious leak or water source to blame. The most frustrating part is that repainting usually makes the problem worse. Fresh paint can seal moisture inside instead of allowing it to release, increasing internal pressure as temperatures rise. This leads to bubbling, peeling, and recurring damage in the same areas year after year. True refinishing addresses humidity by restoring a breathable yet protective barrier, properly sealing vulnerable entry points, and stabilizing the door so moisture can't keep sneaking in or staying trapped once it does. Door Renew can restore your door for you. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time.